Are you looking to jumpstart your weight loss journey? There's more to your morning routine than just coffee. In this video, I'll be sharing top 10 morning drinks to kickstart your metabolism and crush your cravings. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We all know a good breakfast is key, but what you drink first thing in the morning can also play a major role in your weight loss journey. These drinks are fast and super easy to make. Drink number 1. Plain water. Staying hydrated is crucial for overall health, but it also plays a big role in weight management. When you are dehydrated, your body can sometimes mistake thirst for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Drinking water first thing in the morning can help you feel fuller and potentially reduce calorie intake throughout the day, so you should aim to drink a glass of water first thing in the morning. Drink number 2. Lemon water. Not only does lemon add a refreshing taste, it is also a great source of vitamin C, which is essential for overall health. There is also some research suggesting lemon water may help with digestion, boost metabolism, and reduce bloating. Squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of warm water. You can add a dash of honey for extra flavor, but be mindful of sugar intake. Drink number 3. Green tea. Green tea is a superstar when it comes to weight loss. It's packed with antioxidants called catechins, which studies have linked to increased fat burning. Steep 1 green tea bag in 8 ounces of hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. Remove the tea bag and enjoy. Drink number 4. Ginger water. Feeling a little nauseous in the morning? Ginger water might be your new best friend. Ginger can help settle your stomach and has properties that may promote feelings of fullness. This can be especially helpful for curbing cravings and preventing overeating. Grate or thinly slice a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger. Add it to a cup of hot water and simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the ginger and enjoy it warm or chilled. Drink number 5. Chia seed water. Looking for a way to stay fuller for longer? Look no further than chia seeds. These tiny powerhouses are loaded with fiber, which helps you feel satisfied and reduces the urge to snack. Simply soak them in water overnight for a gel-like drink that's perfect for starting your day. In a glass, combine 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with 1 cup of water. Let it sit for at least 30 minutes or preferably overnight, to allow the chia seeds to expand and form a gel. Stir well before drinking. Drink number 6. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar may help regulate blood sugar spikes, which can lead to cravings. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar with a glass of water. Be sure to dilute it properly to avoid damaging your teeth. Drink number 7. Cucumber water. Cucumber water is incredibly low in calories and high in water content, making you feel full with minimal calorie intake. Slice up a cucumber and add it to a pitcher of water. Let it infuse for at least 30 minutes for a refreshing and subtly flavored drink. Drink number 8. Fennel seed water. Fennel seeds are a natural remedy for bloating and indigestion. Steeping them in hot water overnight creates a drink that can help you feel lighter and less uncomfortable, potentially reducing the urge to overeat. It also has mild diuretic properties, helping your body eliminate excess water weight. Steep 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain the seeds and enjoy it warm or chilled. Drink number 9. Black coffee. Black coffee can be your weight loss ally. The caffeine content acts as a stimulant, giving your metabolism a slight boost and helping you burn more calories. Coffee can also improve satiety signals, keeping you feeling fuller for longer. Remember to skip the sugary creamers and flavored syrups to reap the full weight loss benefits. Brew yourself a cup of black coffee. Enjoy it hot or iced. Drink number 10. Dandelion tea. Dandelion tea is another natural diuretic that can help eliminate excess water weight. It may also slightly improve blood sugar control, potentially reducing sugar cravings. Steep 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried dandelion roots or leaves in a cup of hot water for 10 minutes. Strain and enjoy it warm or chilled. These 10 morning drinks are a fantastic way to jumpstart your weight loss journey. and support your overall health. Remember, consistency is key, so find a few drinks you enjoy and make them a regular part of your morning routine. Of course, these drinks work best alongside a healthy diet and exercise plan. For personalized advice, always consult with your doctor or registered dietitian. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more healthy lifestyle tips and tricks. Let me know in the comments below which drink you're most excited to try, and share your favorite healthy morning routine hacks. Thanks for watching this video. Until next time, keep staying healthy.